Tensions have flared over national security as Labor accused the Prime Minister of breaking faith with the United States over AUKUS consultations. Anthony Albanese made the claim in Darwin, pivoting his policy pitch back to health.
Returning to Labor's preferred policy battleground.
Not enough doctors are going into GP, into general practice.
Anthony Albanese makes a $1 billion pledge to strengthen Medicare.
Universal health care is something that is a Labor creation. Labor will always defend it and Labor will always strengthen it.
$750 million will be put into a Medicare fund. How that money will be spent will be determined by a new task force with input from peak medical bodies.
If you take a step back, it actually saves you money. If you get that care early, then people get better health outcomes. Another
$220 million in grants will be on offer to help GPs train staff, buy equipment and upgrade IT systems.
Grants from $25,000 to $50,000 to make sure that our GP practices can continue to thrive.
National security another flashpoint in the final week. The Morrison government revealed on Friday Australia is tracking a Chinese warship spotted off Western Australia.
This highlights the challenges that we face.
The Labor leader shares the concerns but sidestepped questions about the timing.
It's up to him to explain why on a Friday afternoon that occurred.
The future of the relationship with China also in the spotlight. The polls show that you're on track to win come May 21. If you do that, will you reach out to speak with the Chinese President Xi Jinping?
Look, I'm not getting ahead of myself, and the relationship with China will remain complex and will remain challenging regardless of who wins the election. I'll tell you who I'll be reaching out to. I'll be, if we're successful, reaching out to the United States.
Labor leapt on revelations in the 9 newspapers that the United States demanded bipartisan support for the AUKUS submarine deal, but Labor wasn't told for several months.
It is extraordinary that the Prime Minister broke that faith and trust with our most important ally by not briefing Australian Labor.
Anthony Albanese used his first visit to the top end to meet the new Labor Chief Minister, Natasha Files, sworn in on Friday, replacing Michael Gunner.
I need coffee in the morning.
A quick campaign stop in the seat of Solomon, one of the Territory's 2 Labor seats. But the wild card in this campaign is Lingiari. The country Liberals looking to capitalise on the retirement of popular long-serving Labor MP Warren Snowden. Trudy McIntosh, Sky News, Darwin.